description.
Well, hello, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, and I'm here. And it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, I've got one from Nissin Foods, Germany. This is cup noodles spicy hot chili, and this came in a advent calendar that they sent me around the holidays. So, a lot of varieties that they sent in that thing. It wasn't like some little tiny rinky-dink deal. It was legit, let me tell you. A lot of stuff in there, oh my god. But thank you very much. And so, the last episode, I think, was episode number 2500. And I realized that right at the end. Okay, so I was like, oh God, that's right. This was supposed to be a big deal. So we can pretend that this will be episode 2500. Just for the sake of pretending. And, yeah, because I had a whole kind of thought that I should have a spiel. So it's time for a spiel. So, yeah, I started doing this, even though it's a contested fact. But what really got me sitting in front of the stove and shooting video was a long time ago. Me and my older son, Andy, did a couple episodes. We tried to do live streaming, and it would not work. It's like literally the router is right there. It's really close, but the way the pipes and some kind of metal shielding or whatever is in this building, the Wi-Fi just sucks in here. So that being said, it was a very short-term thing, but that is really where this show started from, because then I realized, oh, I can't do it. Well, that sucks. And then I thought, well, why not just record it, dude? So, dude, that's what I did. I just recorded it, dude. So here we are. It's gone through a lot of different iterations of what I used. I used to use a, what do you call it? It came with my Galaxy S6 phone. It was a Galaxy Gear 360. I think it was just called Gear 360. And it's about that tall. And it's got a lens on one side and a lens on the other. They're both fisheye lenses. And the idea is that you can do 360 live video or photography. And that would have been ridiculous. So I just used it to do one, like, instead of 360, just 180, just like coming out the front. A lot of people didn't like that because of the extreme fisheye. I mean, I'm just like, you know, all that. So later on, I was gifted a GoPro Hero Black 7, and I've used that for a lot of time. But that thing, it's really wonky, and it likes certain things and it doesn't like other things, and it's really hard to kind of figure out here or there what it likes and what it doesn't like, why it doesn't do this, why it doesn't do that. So yeah. And then now I've got a Galaxy S20 Ultra, and that's what I shoot most of my footage with. It's doing it right now. It does great. It does really great. I wouldn't mind having one of the new ones, but this works just fine at this point. But it's fun. I'm happy with my setup. It seems to work all right, and that's what's going on now. But one thing I really love doing are the intros and the outros, and there's new ones for this show. But I've been doing that over the years, and that's like a thing that I really enjoy of the show. So yeah. But yeah, I've kind of settled on using this setup that I have right now, and it works great. I mean, everything's rechargeable, and I've got my other phone right down here, and that's a monitor, so I can see what's going on. It works great. Hot chili, huh? Hot temperature. There's a little bit of heat there, but it's got this. It kind of reminds me of the chicken one too. Just kind of this like under it all. It just has this kind of salty, savory action. Noodle's not bad for a cup. A little bit of brittleness. And they stay very separate when on the palate, which is interesting too. It's not like violently spicy. If you're getting this thinking that, you're going to be disappointed. If you get it looking for something that's kind of like quote unquote hot chili oil flavor, that's not, and you're not looking for like, dare I say, bulldog, then you're fine. It's a nice tasty cup. I don't know. I like it. I do like it. I'm going to use the rest of my Chinese sausage. It should complement well. A little bit of crushed red pepper. I think there's already is some crushed red pepper. We're gonna go with some seeds. So nice being able to just be willy-nilly. Woo! When I ran out of sesame seeds, that was not cool. I had like a tablespoon for like a week, and it really did not make me all that thrilled. And then we got our scallion, and now that's kind of like the current thing. I'm like, I'm kind of low on scallion. The scallion that I had to choose from at our new favorite store, total crap. I mean, they were short, and they were, I don't know, I really had to dig, and they were all wet. I understand, nobody wants Legionnaire's disease, that's fine, but that's why they spray the stuff down. Did you know that? I don't remember what Legionnaire's disease entails, but it's a disease, so I'm guessing you don't want it, right? Well, thank you for watching today. There'll be more tomorrow. I don't know what it's gonna be, but happy 2500 episode, and yeah, like, subscribe. If you should get on Patreon. You can like make it so it sends me like $2 or $3 a month. Boy, I could use that. If like 1,000 people did that, oh my God, my life would be so wonderful. It really would. We would all be very, very happy. And I would use a lot of that money to make more content. So anyways, it's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you will join my Patreon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.